priority. So from here, we've got the kipping pull-up down pat. We can get a little bit more efficient at the pull-up if we want to, if that's our goal, and that would be the butterfly pull-up. It's not for everyone. It doesn't mean you have to try it. It's only there if you want to try and get more efficient at the pull-up. And just know that it does come with a big trade-off of risk of injury because of the amount of force production through the smaller muscles of the shoulder. So first priority, make sure you've got the prerequisite shoulder health to do the pull-up, the butterfly pull-up, and then obviously start to learn the skill. So we're starting from the bar, we're hanging from the bar. The biggest tip we can take here is to start nice and small and keep all of the tension through the lats and the midline, and essentially we need to come back, up and forward, creating small circles with our shoulders, and eventually our hips are going to come into play and allow us to extend up and over the bar. The biggest problem with the butterfly pull-ups is getting out of whack or getting out of sync with the hips and the shoulders. So one, you'll start to have your hips too far forward and you start to not have equal and distributed weight on either side of the bar. So likewise with the kipping pull-up, if our chest is in front of the bar, our feet should probably be behind the bar. And then if we're pulling down on the bar, our feet should be in front of the bar to create equal weight distribution. So we're going to see one more time. We're going to start nice and slow. We're trying to think about pulling our head back, up, and then forward. And our feet are going to do the opposite to help us get that momentum and hip production, hip force production through the hips.